OTGR.
Big
Germ. Look. Look, gotta put the hood back on for death. Look, okay, halfway hood. Look. Off to the races, looking at these horses running. I guess we got money, I guess we really stand for something. Like these people trying to turn that something into nothing. I'm just trying to do a verse of nothing into something. I'm trying my hardest, I'm striving at my best. I'm trying to keep respect, I'm trying to keep these people on their chests. People on their toes, people off these fucking hoes. Trying to keep these people in school, I guess that's where they belong. I dropped out of school, man, I don't wanna see it, man. I completed high school, I'm saying I dropped up out of college, man. Trying to pursue my dream of music and shit. They talk about in school, you can do that music and shit. No you can't, cause I'm a beast in this music. It takes over my mind, and when I'm tapping pencils, all I hear is music on the side. My fucking head like I don't wanna die. I gotta release this fucking lyrics from my brain every day. I might die fucking inside. Like I don't wanna see it all, but if I see it all, then they say that you are bound to fall. So let me see my all, and next time I see it all, let me fucking die and fall. Let me fall and die. Like I wanna cry, like I wanna see every people who say they love me go by down and cry. I know I'm a sick and twisted person deep down inside. I swear that I can go on another side, another rant, another rave. Like I'm Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Like I'm a Gemini and I control them both sides. Like how they wanna see me, how they wanna duck and hide. Talking about you saw me, but I know you know we're outside. Like where the fuck are you do? You're not even on my level. I heard you talking that shit, motherfucker. I'm a rebel. I come, I bet you, motherfucker. You should up the code. So skeptical, nigga. You a suspect, nigga. There you go. Putting it out on a platter, nigga. Who are you? I melted your fucking ass back in 011. Who was you? This is fucking 1-2. Yeah, nigga, 2012. Now how you like that shit? I'm here to burn you, give you niggas hell. Give you niggas hell without a motherfucking bell. Put you niggas under the jail. You don't need no fucking bell. How you like that shit, nigga? Y'all niggas ringing dings, fucking bells. Fuck that shit, nigga. I'm just here on earth, Satan in hell, Satan in hell. Here you come, here I go. Where he go? I don't know. Where the fuck he running to, nigga? I don't know. Where the fuck did he come from? Once again, I just say I don't know. And these motherfuckers trying to count my loot and just count my dough. Stack my fucking shit, all the high-end fucking shit. Yeah, nigga, who was you? Remember, I done melted you and shit. You liquid ass nigga. You fall right through my fingers, fucking liquid ass nigga. Who the fuck are you? You getting money? I swear, man, that shit be acting so damn funny. Your fucking money laughing, guess it's fucking funny. You got that China lethal weapon, yeah, that funny money. I know they like this shit, how niggas try to count and shit. Niggas wanna fight me, you in Miami, nigga, fighting shit. Nigga, you just biting shit, biting my fucking lines and shit. You wouldn't give me my respect, hope you get some there, nigga. That ain't the how to cut, that ain't how to cut the check, nigga. Who the fuck is you? Talk about you wanna wreck, nigga. You ain't wrecking shit, nigga, but your own self. Like in the way said, whoever said it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. Get it? I think somebody said that, but if you wanna breed that, well, motherfucking breed that. See, I'm a born bred monster hitting this shit, and I'm here to eat these beats and collect my chips like poker. I dealt the fucking cards, and you gotta lose in hands, so just respect them when the man. Give me all your chips and your dip, because the cheese is nachos, but the nachos are mine, bitch.